Hey guys, it's CNC Productions, and I just wanted to do a little reminder, and this is me, Cassie, and the reminder is that this video also is for a before and after photos from our mini iPad to this new camera we got. The camera, it's just so much more focused and it's so smooth and sharp. So yeah. Sorry, bye.